Want to add winning products to your Shopify store? With USAdrop, importing products is quick, simple, and only takes a few clicks. Whether you're launching your very first store or expanding your existing product catalog, knowing how to import products efficiently can save you a lot of time and help you get your products in front of customers faster. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to search for products, import them into your account, customize them to match your brand, and publish them directly to your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, log in to your USAdrop account. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to Products and then open the Find a Product section. This is where you can search through the USAdrop product catalog. You have two easy ways to find products. The first is by entering a keyword. The second is by searching for the exact product name if you already know what you're looking for. For example, if you're looking for men's fitness gadgets, simply type "men fitness" into the search bar and then click Search. In just a few moments, you'll see a list of matching products displayed below. Take a moment to browse the available options until you find the product you'd like to add to your Shopify store. Once you've found the product you want, simply click Import. That's it. The product has now been added to your store. To confirm that everything worked correctly, open the navigation menu and go to the Import list. Here you'll see the product you just imported. This page serves as your workspace before publishing products to your Shopify store. You can import multiple products into the list and review them before deciding which ones to publish. This makes it easier to organize your product selection and prepare everything before your products go live. Before publishing, your next move would be to review and customize your product information. This is an important step because it allows you to make the product look professional and consistent with your brand. Open the imported product and edit the details you want to change. For example, you can update the product title, the product description, images, variants, and the product pricing. Giving your product a clear title and an informative description can help customers better understand what they're buying. You should also review the images to make sure they accurately represent the product and fit the style of your store. Finally, check your pricing carefully to ensure it matches your business strategy and profit goals. Taking a few extra minutes here can make a big difference in how your products appear to potential customers. So don't just skip through. Make sure everything is exactly as you wanted before launching. Once you're happy with all of your edits, you're ready for the final step. Click Import to Store. If you have more than one connected store, USAdrop will ask you to choose which store you'd like to publish the product to. So select the correct store and then click Confirm. USAdrop will automatically sync the product with your Shopify store. After the synchronization is complete, your product will be published and available for customers to browse and purchase. There's no need to manually recreate product pages, upload images one by one, or enter product details again. USAdrop handles the synchronization for you, and that's it. Importing products with USAdrop is fast, simple, and designed to make building your Shopify store much easier. Let's quickly recap the process. Log in to your USAdrop account, go to Products and open Find a Product, search by keyword or product name, click Import on the product you want, open your import list to review the imported product, edit the product name, description, images, variants, and pricing, click Import to Store, select your Shopify store, and confirm. Within just a few clicks, your product is live and ready for customers to purchase. This was USAdrop's tutorial with George, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tutorials. We'll continue sharing more step-by-step guides to help you properly manage your dropshipping business with USAdrop and get the most out of the platform. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!